Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar keeps on loading. What you have to do in order to fix that is you have to open your task manager, right click the taskbar and click on task manager, select your Windows Explorer and click on restart task. If this doesn't help and if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is hit the Windows key and type in run, hit enter and type in services.msc, hit OK. It will open this kind of interface. Go to the W section and find Windows Search. Once you found that, right click and click on Restart. Even after doing that, if your problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is open Settings on your Windows. Go to Privacy and Security. Click on Searching Windows. Scroll down. Click on Advanced Indexing Options. Click on Advanced and simply click on Rebuild. And after that, restart your PC and hopefully this will fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.